Ohayou gozaimasu, minasan, and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video we are going straight to Tanoshi's second event of the year. It's the monthly Daikoku meet, which means we need to go get fuel and have a nice drive. Today we're actually going solo dolo because everyone else is busy, so it's just me. We might bump into some friends. Let's get going and I'll see you at the meet. Of course we are taking my S15 straight to Cobham services after we get fuel, of course. I already mentioned that.
He said it's falling off the boat.
Right, so we've made it to sort of the parking area and we're, I think, about to leave. We bumped into some friends at the petrol station, just parked next to my friend's Mitsubishi, and yeah, we're gonna start making our way up, I think. Oh, this is one of them that I bumped into. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. On the Evo 5, really cool. So we do have a few friends behind us. I don't know how much you can see. We're going to take a nice easy drive and have some fun. So I realised I got music playing. So this is the current situation. We are stuck in traffic trying to get in. We've been stuck in it for probably about a mile. People keep cutting in and it's literally slowing everything down. It's like a war zone at the moment.
A few moments later.
We are still waiting. People are revving and there's been police cars going in. We're moving right now a little bit, but it's been like a while since the last clip. We'll get in and we'll film everyone else, don't you worry, we'll see everything. So we have now made it to Cobham and finally got the space. However, as soon as I got out, this guy's parked there and I don't know how I'm going to get back in my car, so we'll see what's going to happen, but we're going to have a little look around and oh, hello MX-5 with one light up. That's pretty sick. It's very, very busy, so we're going to have a wander around, try and find our friends and then film the entrance. Some nice people have already come up and said hi, and yeah, we're just gonna have a little wander around, see what's going on. I honestly don't know how I'm gonna get in here, but hey ho. We're gonna start off with what's right in front of us, and that's a really nice Teggy. I think this is a DC2. I think Larry Chen may have just got one of these and I really like them. Maybe a Honda's in the future at some point. I do like a Honda. Oh, and I think, I don't know if it is, but over there may be 22B, which is really cool. So we're going to look at this Itasha GT86. I feel like I'm in Akihabara right now. I'm going to say this now, everyone. If there is music over this video, it's because people are playing music extremely loud and you won't be able to hear me, so there might be a voiceover or some music, or I might try something a bit different, like an old school kind of vibe. I don't know, we'll figure it out. So we've stumbled across a really nice and clean RX-7 and we're kind of away from the music now, so you might be able to hear me. It's got some really cool, I think they're Recaro, they're not pole positions, I can't remember what they're called, but like, they're just classic. Oh, I don't even know if you can see this, but the classic Recaros. Really cool vented bonnet. I've not seen this bonnet before, but obviously like the hood pins and I mean, really nice fitment. Even though they're on rotors, which not my favourite, really, really cool. And it's an Ifini, which is really rare, really, really rare. And I like this REM Mamiya style, or like Car Shop Glow style rear diffuser. I can't remember if it's Car Shop Glow or not, but really sick. We have a Sora with a Luxus badge. Really, I think we've seen this guy. We've seen probably a few of these cars before, but if you're new to the channel, welcome. Really cool MR2 with the Panda livery. I think he was at Japfest. And then obviously If you watch the Japfest video, you know I'm going to gravitate towards all of the S chassis, but how can you not love an S chassis with the Cannon exhaust, shotgun exhaust? Really interesting seat choice. However, we still like it. Of course we still like it. I can hear the wobs now, but I'm still going to talk for this one because there is one of my dream cars here. Obviously you knew it was going to be a Skyline. So R32 GTR, very cool, on the OG Advans. Very, very nice. Oh, that's interesting. That's an R34 shift knob with a mid-logo badge in there, which is cool. Mid-logo Nismo. You just can't go wrong with a GTR or an R32. And then behind it we have an R33. Not GTR, I don't believe, but still lovely nonetheless. Yep. I think you will recognise this if you're in England. It's Adam C's car, which is a really cool premonition of an AC Cobra. I really like the number plate actually, considering it's Adam C and then it's AC Cobra, so ACC. Good choice. Credit where it's due, this 350 looks really cool. It kind of looks a little bit drift spec. The wing's a little bit too raked for me, but still really, really nice. Good job. Okay, I've just seen a crazy MX-5. This is crazy. This almost looks like a veil side wing, or like it's probably like Mazda Speed or something, but it looks like a veil side. I don't know my MX-5 stuff, but from other cars, this looks very similar to a veil side wing. And then whoop, we saw this in the last one. Okay, we're walking on. This is quite cool. This is really clean actually for an S14. Not the biggest fan of S14s. They're like my least favourite S chassis. And I'm sorry, like the Chameleon tint I'm not a big fan of, but if you're watching this, I do love it. It's still really cool. The body kit's really nice. I love the, you know, the wheel arches. That's really cool. This is a really clean S14. Ooh, with a downturn. You don't see too many like that. So this is really, really nice. I like it. I'm not really trying to criticize anyone's car. I'm just like saying like how I would do it isn't like that. I appreciate everyone's taste, and this is really cool. Still, like I would love to see this driving and like hear it and stuff, and it's really, really cool. Just not my style. It's what it is. Like some people say my car's not their style. Again, doesn't bother me. Is what it is. Basically right behind the S14 is an S13 hatch, like 180. Is it? Oh, it's a 200. That's really. I don't know how to tell the difference, but still pretty stock apart from the Advans and the exhaust. Really nice. Another car I absolutely love is S2000s, and this is really clean in, I believe, Championship White? Champion White? I don't know, but really, really clean interior. Obviously we know a few people with S2Ks, but this is very nice. I do like another really sick S13 in red. They're all like pretty, this is very stock. This is crazy stock. And then there's me, what's up? This is very, I mean apart from what's going on here, they probably took the OEM wing off. And Nissan love to do this, they love to put like 20 different holes in, just to hold on like the smallest duckbill. I feel sorry for you, I had the same thing. Well, this is pretty cool. Again, another S13 with a GT86 in the same wrap. It's a very weird wrap colour. And if you want to follow, there's the tag. Oh, that's really cool. Very cool. I like the interior in this, it's very clean. Very, very clean. Interesting rear end on it. And I guess it's trying to say rear, but finally made it to where we were saying we were going to go. This is very cool. I like this. No, you're right. Mine's not clean either. No. Ronnie! What's up, bro? It's kind of taken a while for people to come in, so I think we're going to just walk down the line and see what's in the line at the moment. Okay, so I'm not going to film that line anymore. There's like pretty standard cars in there. These MX-5s are still trying to find a space. I feel sorry for them. But, oh, we've stumbled across another S14. I can't tell if we've seen this one before, but I love what's going on here. Like, this is sick. Like, I love the wheels, like the worker motions. These like fenders or wheel arches, if you're in England, are really sick, but I feel like everyone does them on the S15, which is why I haven't done them. But I really like it. This kit is really cool, and obviously he's got the over fenders as well. Really nice. Let's see what the interior is saying. Pretty standard, however, still rate it. Very cool. I think these seats might be a bit rare, the leather ones, especially in the Silvias. There's an S2K in a really interesting colour, and I think the same wheels that I used to have, but in white. Okay, this is interesting. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but they're like aftermarket lights with like blue swirling around. The police have shut the car meet down. I don't know why. Okay, this is really cool. I'm just gonna say, if you're wondering where his bonnet is, it's here. It is literally just leant up against the tree. But this is really cool. A turboed, what looks like a B18. Really cool. I could be wrong, it might not be a B18, but really quite sick. Never seen anyone do something like this. This is really cool, and I love the colour. The colour is sick. Very cool. I will add too, it's fully gutted and caged, which is really sick. I can hear someone's alarm going off, like, you know, the safety one when you get too close, the proximity sensor, that's it. I can't tell if it's this because Ronnie has the exact same one. I don't know if it was me. I'm sorry if it was. Update on the car. I still don't know if I will be able to fit. Why? So the car has moved now, and I think we're gonna make a move because it's getting a little rowdy. Plus, I can't find any of my friends. So I think it's about that time. So guys, we have now made it back home. Thank you so much for watching. Obviously it's a little bit shorter than I would have liked it to be. Obviously stuff happens, and I know the police have to do what they have to do, even though sometimes it feels like no one does anything, and I know they're just trying to do their job, whatever they're instructed to do. However, there's a MX-5 right behind me when I was leaving, and there was an unmarked police car, and he just got pulled over. He literally didn't do anything. I don't know whether they ran his plate and something was up, but I saw no cause for him. He was doing the same speed as me, is what it is. So that's going to be it for this video. If you haven't already, please smash the thumbs up button and subscribe if you are new. There's plenty of good content on here which I think you will enjoy, so maybe click the banner up here or maybe select the playlist that's popped up right now. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out and stay lucky. I'll see you in the next one.